In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Todoist from Google Calendar, following the full 2025 guide. First, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. Simply head over to todoist.com and enter your credentials on the home page to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it to bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you want to select Settings. This will open up the main settings window for your Todoist account. Now, in the settings window, look for the Integrations tab and click on it. This tab is pivotal because it lists all the active integrations connected to your Todoist account, including the connection with Google Calendar we are targeting today. You might notice a variety of apps in this list tailored to streamline your productivity workflow. Once you're in the integration section, scroll through until you locate the Google Calendar segment. This part of the page will show you which Google account is connected and which Todoist project or projects are linked. It's essential to pay close attention here, especially if you plan on reconnecting at a later date, as noting the current setup can help you swiftly reestablish the sync when needed. Now, the main step, disconnecting. Beside Google Calendar, you'll spot a disconnect button. Go ahead and click on it. But don't worry, you're not done just yet. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed with the disconnection. Click Disconnect again to confirm your choice. This step ensures that accidental clicks don't result in an unintentional change to your setup. Congratulations! Once you've clicked that final disconnect, your Todoist will no longer sync tasks with your Google Calendar. It's important to understand that while new or adjusted tasks will stop synchronizing, the events that were already synced with your Google Calendar will stay there. However, these events won't receive any future updates from your Todoist account. Essentially, you've turned off the pipeline of data flow between the two applications, but the existing data remains intact on Google Calendar. This can be particularly useful if you're planning to use another calendar integration, or if you simply want to streamline and focus your workflow by managing tasks strictly within Todoist. Whatever your reasoning, you've now successfully disconnected the two services, making this aspect of your digital life a little less interconnected, but perhaps more aligned with your current needs.